since nobody has a fucking video of this shit, so that's how it's supposed to look. That's your right and that's your left. Honestly, nobody explained it. So what I did is just drop it in there, wiggle it. This is your RS kit for your spoiler. The RS is supposed to look like that. I will paint it. I wouldn't use spray paint. Please don't use it. Buy like oil-based paint. But, so you do it. I got this fucker in here. See? And make sure you use a husky one like this. With like this type of tools. Make your life a lot easier. There's a lot of videos how they explained it. So you just make sure you put this bolt. Jump it in there. And it should you just wiggle it with your fingers. I keep doing like that. That's how you put it. And now we're gonna do the process of, I assume, honestly this is my first time doing this. You put left to right. This is right, right goes left. So spoiler goes like this. And what we're gonna do is flip it and make these fuckers fit. You see that? But how I did it, and you're wondering, dude, look at it, there's a hole. Wow, you buy this type of tool. I use a drill. This is part of a magnet. This is what I use for sky bits on night. Connect this. You see how it falls? It's not sturdy. So what you do is just go slowly, like this. Slowly, and just press it slowly. After you get it really tight, you use this guy and tighten it. And that's simple as that. I mean, I can't show you the whole bit because I was irritated, but this is what that's for. You can get this in Lowe's or Home Depot for like 10, 15 bucks. It's like a magnet. Make sure your bolts don't fall off. Fit in there like this. And then that's it. You're all settled. And after that, I'll show you another step of doing this install because other people are not really good at it. After all this, you connect to the spoiler. So you make sure these bolts go right here, each side. This is where I think on the other hatchback is going. And that's how you make it work, buddies. Honestly, it's not, yep, like that. So it looks. I'm not gonna bundle it because I don't give a fuck. I'm at the point where I think I'll make the same horsepower as the RS. I make 290 wheel in Denver, so I'm cool. All right, so my coworker painted this one, so came out pretty nice.